If you have a keychain on the key fob, you don't have to take it off. All you have to do is release this little catch here to take the physical key out, and you can set that aside. That could have your keychain and everything on it. Then right here on the edge, you can see you will need tweezers or a small screwdriver to get in here and pry. So right in these two places, what we're going to do is just kind of hold the key and then pry a little bit to release these parts. So we'll release that side and release this side. You feel like a little snap on each side, and then you'll see that it's separated a little bit. Now we can gently and carefully pull it apart. Just kind of pull it one side, release the other. Now you notice there's a seal on this side in the circuit board. We want to make sure that we keep that facing up and just don't mess with it. Set that side down. This is the side where the key is located. And the key is basically, you can see this little spring right here. It's just kind of resting in there. There's not a huge amount of tension, but you can kind of lift up with your finger or the screwdriver or whatever and pull it out. And it is a CR2032 battery. And then this one's made in Japan. That's nice. So what we'll need to do is with the new battery, basically, we're going to put it down like that on this side, and then we're going to compress that little spring right there and press it in place. Now, once that's done, then we will take this other half, lay this on top, and then gently make sure it's lined up. And you'll kind of feel it kind of fall in place. And then without pressing the buttons on the other side, just kind of press here on the edges here. And snap it. Snap it. And then check the edge all the way around. Make sure that it's completely sealed up and secure. Now we take the physical key, put it back in place, and we're all finished.